Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulenkile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe shona isenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke indaba ekulethele zona-ke namhlanje lithi-ke owayeku-DA laphana-ke uMmusi Maimane-ke owagcina evule iqembu lakhe i-Boss-ke usebeke umbono wakhe mayelana necala le-MK versus ANC. Uthi-ke laphana-ke akuliwe ngamaphepha, hhayi ngezinhlambo. Kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami-ke wena-ke ngizokudlalela-ke le clip lena-ke uyizwele wena-ke ebeka umbono wakhe. Angizobe sekucela kuwe laphana ukuthi uma usizwile-ke njalo le clip le ungene ema-comment section laphana ufubhashe ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba lolu-ke masicindezela nebhathini laphana-ke usubscribe akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe shona isenti-ke emnyama-ke leli-ke nayo-ke le clip-ke awuyithokozele.
Hey, Tara. So, been thinking about this court judgment today that allows for MK to participate in the elections. I could have told you the ANC was going to lose because, yes, the objections were not lodged on time. And even notionally, this idea of what MK and all of that stands for cannot be exclusively linked to the ANC. I do think, though, that given the recent pronouncements by MK, violence, the threats of violence, all of those issues and all of their ideas, those ideas must be put on the ballot. We are going to settle this issue using the pen rather than the bullet, rather than going out and having a party feeling like they are aggrieved, and that let the ideas be put on the ballot. Let them be tested. Let the people be able to decide. You can't take Jacob Zuma off the ballot because you don't agree with his ideas or what he's done. It's a referendum on him. Let the people decide. Let the people vote. And ultimately, yes, democracy has its flaws, but I believe the ideas will be defeated. I believe most people in this country want peace. They want prosperity. They want a job in every home. So I'm challenging you that let MK be on the ballot, and we will meet them on the ballot, and let's make sure we vote so that the old MK, all of those parties that are linked, can be defeated at the ballot box, so that we can bring about a South Africa that can be governed for the future. That we still have to debate the past. An 80-year-old man tells me that this election could never be more important. Much.